guys. It's early. Going to get a load of fill. I started this job 2 days ago. Basically just filling in an area, leveling it off. But then yesterday was a really bad rain day. When I say really bad, because normally I'll work in the rain, but yesterday was really bad and I didn't want to make a mess of the job, because then today, instead of being productive, we would have been cleaning up yesterday's mess. So we'll check back in. Alright, so we're gonna go over there to get the fill from that bank. It's nice sandy bank gravel, so it'll drain. Normally when I come through here, it's a dust bowl. Today I think it'll dry out because it's really windy in here. It's like a wind tunnel right through this yard. But as of right now, it's a little bit of a mud hole, so I'm trying to avoid the mud. There's my guy. I've known him for like 18 years, maybe, something like that. So he's like one of the best loader operators I've ever seen. He just, there's like 2 or 3 loader operators in my area that are just spot on, and then everyone else is a wannabe. They just don't have it. Like, even you can tell the people that got it and the people that just don't have it and won't have it. So we're gonna get some fill when he's done doing what he's doing. He's probably pushing up. All the landscapers brought in all their stuff today, because that's the leaf and compost pile. So when he's done pushing that up, we're not gonna rush him. We'll get some fill and I'll check back in. This job that we're going to is, I might record a lot of it, I might record a little bit of it, I'll get some of it, but I'm trying to get this done because my wife and I are trying to go on vacation, something we haven't done in a long time, because the kids were little, but now my kids are, 19 and 15, so we feel that we might be able to leave the 15-year-old home alone with the 19-year-old and go do something nice for ourselves this weekend. So I'm trying to get this done. So I don't know how much I'm gonna actually get recorded. Check back. Alright, this is my job. I'm putting boards down because I'm coming off the sidewalk. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I gotta dump it there, and then I don't know if you can see the Takeuchi all the way sitting up there. I'm basically filling in uphill like a washout gorge in the yard, going up that way. So I'll set you up here so you can see me hop the curb. show you what we're doing here. This is my access little road here. I can't go over there because the septic's over there, and I don't want to anyways because this is just a clearer shot to the road. And then we're basically this was a big like gorge, so you can see there was a railroad tie wall there, but we're trying to fill this in over there so you can see how deep it is with what's down there. And then she's gonna plant a garden over here, but you can see how the hole went down like that and then up, so we're just filling this all in. Alright, I might try to see if I can get them to deliver me some loads later so this will go quicker, but a couple shots from this angle. Alright, you get the point. We'll keep filling in and then I'll check back when I've made some progress. I'll have to rake this out after. It'd be nice. Normally I try to get the truck to dump in the dump up there, but I will say the only good thing about this dump site is you're backing up the hill and dumping, because it rained really bad. So if the water and dirt, you know, gets a little soft here from all the water we had yesterday, I won't have to worry about pulling myself out because I'll be able to pull downhill. Whereas if you were trying to climb out of a soft area, that would really be terrible. I've had to do that before, but this is pretty much just my access. It's just going to take a lot of time. So, nothing to it but to do it. I'm just going to stick on it. Alright, check back later. Alright, it's early. It's a little foggy out. I got the truck oil checked out. Did the circle check, circle jerk, whatever you want to call it. I gotta get a rake and a shovel. I'm not a morning person at all. Plus, I'm trying to quit coffee, so. Alright. So. We're gonna take this awful tool that I hate, and everything's disorganized. I cleared everything out for the garage, which, wow, look at the fuck. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Oh, this thing sucks. Alright. Let me grab this awful tool. This is the worst excavator ever, this thing. I'm not sure, I'm gonna get a better camera holder than my arm. So, I don't think I should bring the other one. Although this one works better, but it's kind of heavy. So this one's lighter by far. This Razorback. This one's lighter, but the problem with lighter is it doesn't work as good because the fingers are always bending. Whereas that one, see, they're all straight. That one's like more heavy duty. That's the difference. Like, this one's a little bit wider and it's a little bit lighter. The only problem is the handle bends all the time. So I've actually had to turn that upside down and bend it back before. That's where it's at now. But it'll bend, you know, like it'll have a bend in it from me pushing on it because it's not so heavy. So it doesn't do anything. So regardless, we're just going to take this one. I don't feel like bending those fingers back. We're gonna go spread a bunch of topsoil on that job. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's windy out, but I just finished. The machine is loaded on the trailer. They're gonna put the fence back together. I raked out all of this. This really wasn't part of our gig, but it was my access. We didn't loam it. They said just rake it, but when I was coming through here, spilling a little bit of loam here, spilling a little bit there, just to darken it up for them. And then through here, I raked it all out. They're gonna seed it and straw it. I'm not gonna hydroseed this one. They're gonna deal with it. But I just finished raking all this dirt out. They're gonna plant it. So like the embankment, and it's hard to see because the hole went right up through there, but we wanted to keep the natural contour of those cobblestones in the back. So the washout, I see if I got light here. I wouldn't call it a washout, it was like just a gorge, natural topograph. Used to come all the way down, dive into the hole there, and then go back up. The builder probably filled to there originally when they built the house. So they just wanted to taper this up there, get rid of that gorge, and then have a little more flat area up there where I filled up there, and then have a nice gradual slope down to the garden area. She's going to plant her garden, and then the hill just be not so much of a hole that it was, and then up like that, and then it went like that. It was like bad from every angle, but now it's just a slow incline down. So just a quick job, nothing major, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Try to keep the talking down on it. So catch you on the next one.